Do you see any of those challenges maybe presenting opportunities for us, as challenges so often do? I mean, is there an upside or a silver lining to some of these challenges we're facing today?
Yeah, I think there is. The upside, obviously, is the pickup and delivery, the wash, dry, and fold. I mean, those are great opportunities for people to look elsewhere, pick up some accounts, commercial accounts, do things locally, provide great service for the community, things like that. I think those are all revenue streams that store owners are really exploring, where before maybe they didn't think about it. Now they're kind of being forced. And then how do they use technology to drive that profitability? Because that, when I say that, I mean, I'm talking about management systems, things like that allow them to really manage whether they do wash, dry, and fold or pick up and delivery. How do they manage their fleet? How do they, what routes do they do? So you're going to need management systems and things like that in place for store owners so they have that availability to expand their marketplace.